Hey there, rock stars. It's Deborah. We're back in my kitchen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very healthy beverage out of your leftover greens that you're not sure what to do with. So this could be, it's summertime right now, and so for me, I just have an abundance of greens coming out of the garden that I grew. So if you have a garden, this is perfect for that. Or maybe you went to the farmer's market or the grocery store and you bought a giant batch of kale or spinach or chard or even lettuce. And before it goes bad and starts to kind of like disintegrate and fall apart in your fridge, let's juice it and make use of it. We don't want to waste any food, especially not dark leafy greens, which are packed with vitamins and minerals, packed with phytonutrients. Your body craves these green plants, so don't waste anything. Make a juice out of them before they go bad. And here's how you can do it in your blender. So I'm gonna be using my blender today instead of my juicer because I know so many people don't own a juicer, and I want you to be able to do this at home easily and quickly. So first and foremost, the ingredients that we need. I've just got this giant bowl of greens that I harvested this morning from my garden. If I don't eat these in the next week or so, they're gonna start to go bad. So I've gotta juice them. And so to make it taste delicious and provide my body with a lot of immune support, I'm going to add vitamin C robust oranges and lemon. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C and also B vitamins. I'm also going to be adding some cucumber for some extra hydration. And then I've got ginger root and turmeric. Basically what I'm going to do is pack this blender to about 3/4 of the way full and then bring my water level to that point. So I peeled my cucumber. I'm going to be just throwing in a decent amount of these greens. I'm just kind of bunching them up. They're going to blend right up in this. And we're going to just pack the blender full of dark leafy greens. So, and then with the oranges, I would probably, for this size pitcher, I'd probably do 2 whole oranges for this recipe. So I've got them cut into halves. I did peel the rough skin off of these. I also peeled the lemon skin off because basically what we're gonna do is blend all this with water and then filter it out. So for the ginger, I'm throwing in this giant chunk. That's like 2 or 3 thumbs of ginger. And then same with the turmeric, it's about the size of the whole length of my thumb. That's a decent sized chunk. Turmeric, a little bit goes a long way. So, and as you may know, turmeric and ginger are some of the most highly anti-inflammatory foods on the planet. They are so, so good for you. So we're making such a powerful beverage right now. This is like an immune boosting, alkalizing, healing tonic. All right, I'm pretty packed in here. So I've got 4 cups of water and I'm just gonna start to pour it in there until I see it hit that line. If you're using a smaller blender, you're just gonna wanna fill it to where like the water pretty much meets the produce line. So it's right about there, they're right about even. All right, y'all, let's blend this and I'll show you the next step. Hang tight. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to strain out any leftover fiber from this. So it's more of a juice consistency. So I've got a large pitcher. I'm pouring it through some pretty large holes. And like I said, if I want to, I can strain this again with a finer mesh strainer to get it slightly more viscous, but I'm kind of holding back a lot of the fiber if there's anything with this knife. So that's kind of a good technique as well. And as you can see, this made a lot of juice. So easy to do. I hope this empowers you to try this at home because what the result is gonna be is I'm gonna wake up in the morning tomorrow, I'm gonna let this sit in my fridge overnight, and I'm gonna be able to open this up and take a big giant drink of it first thing in the morning and just enlighten my cells, light up everything head to toe in my body. There's so much great nutrition in here. And like I said, it could not be easier to do. So we gotta taste it. Wow, that's intense. That's really, really good. Because of the lemon and the ginger, it's got a little bit of a bite to it and it's kind of got a tart, sour taste, but it's really, really good. It's gonna be delicious after it's been in my fridge overnight. So listen, I hope you try this recipe. If you make it, let me know. How did it taste to you? Did it come out good? So give it a try. It's easy to do. And then I love to hear from you. And until we meet again, may your day be vibrant.